Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last month and how the price of gold can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold is trading at a level of $1888.90. You have to keep it in mind that after making this particular high we have seen there is a fall. And other important that you have to note that it has already made a new high, a high of around $2088. After that there is a continuous fall. You also have to understand that when it made a high and then a fall is coming. The second high it made, a fall has come, and this fall is quite sharp. For the third time this fall we have not seen. Okay, but there is a higher chances that if this keep on moving further down, we can see it will go, and a probability of going below this particular level will be there if it is moving the same way we have seen. And yes, a pattern is forming. Okay, so as soon as it moves below a level of 1807, then there is a higher chances that it can go further low, because it has already moved out from March 23. That means this is the zone from where we have not seen this level has come, but it is now trading below that level. Okay, so before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the month of September 2023, if you have any doubts you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link also given in the description. You can join that too. Suppose if the price didn't sustain this particular level, what we can see, if the price didn't sustain this particular level, chances are very high it will touch a level of around $1878. Okay, if this level move further down as per monthly data I'm saying, okay, monthly chart I'm saying, the next support coming at a level of around $1878. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, then chances are very high it will go further low, and chances are very high that it will touch a level of around $1870. Okay, now if the price fall below that particular level, then we can see it will touch a level of around $1856. Okay, and if that level move further down, then yes, a higher chances of going towards further down to a level of around 1837 is there. Okay, now if the price started falling below 1837, then we can see it will go further low, and chances of touching a level of around 1834 will be there to a level of around $1828. Okay, these are some of the points. See, if you are looking for a shorter view, then you have to understand that 15 minutes chart or 1 day charts plays an important role. But if you are going for a monthly basis, that means if you are going for 5, 10 and 20 years long term view, gold is the most safest investment that we have seen, okay, so far. Now if you are shorter view, you have to understand that the opposite swing has formed, and a probability is that it is moving further down. But if it form a swing, that means if it sustain above a level of around $1950, then a further upside we can see in the price of gold. Otherwise we can see if it started moving further low, that means if it started falling below a level of around 1800, a further fall we can see. Okay, now if the price sustain, you have to understand the price sustain, what we can see, if the price sustain, then chances are high it will go further high, and a probability of going towards 1910 will be there. Okay, but if the price sustain above that level, because 1910 is already being a weak resistance, so chances are high it will go further upside, and a probability of going towards 1949 will be there after crossing a level of 1949. Okay, after crossing a level of 1933. So once started moving above 1949, then chances of going towards a level of around 1956 will be there to a level of around $1972. Okay, so once started moving above 1972, then a probability of going towards 1989 will be there, and the further upside we can see. Okay, look at this particular point, what you can see. See what we can see looking at this chart, that there is a downfall is happening. But as soon as, because this month have still not ended, there is one more week is remaining, so it started sustaining, that means started sustaining above 1933, then we can see a trend will change towards an upside, because a pattern will form. But if it keeps moving below this particular level and goes below a level of 1875, then chances of going further down we can see. Okay, so suppose if the price fall below this particular level, we can see a level of 1878 to a level of 1850, and then if the price fall below that level, we can see a level of 1834, and then a probability of going towards 1830, and then 1798 below 1800. Okay, but if the price sustain, then we can see a level of 1907 and to a level of 1917, which is already being a weak resistance. So chances of going towards 1934 will be there to a level of 1947, and from there a further upside towards 1959 will be there. That is already being a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside we can see. Okay, as soon as started moving on 1956, a further high we can see. Okay, any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe it. Thank you.